Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do an alternate card tonight. I am going to use one of the edges from the envelope. Whoops, as my chair slaps. And I've cut some circles using the Stylish Shapes dies. And I've just glued them down onto 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white. And I've got a Coastal Cabana card base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this through, and I was trying to decide which folder to use, and I think I'm going to use the Paint to Texture folder because this seems a little bit abstract, a little bit out there, so I'm going to use this folder. So I'm just going to run it through. And it is a 3D folder, so I need my just platform number 1 and my platform number 4, and I'm just going to put this in here like this. I'm going to emboss it with the circles right on it, so let's do that. And then I am going to build a card. I'm going to use the gold happy, and I'm not going to put a birthday, Easter, anything like that on it. I'm just going to let it fly, and it can be happy anything. So I'm just going to put adhesive on all 4 edges because it is a 3D folder, so it's just that little bit more bumpy around the edges. So just place that, pop it down like that. I'm going to, I couldn't decide if I was going to put blends on it or not, but I've decided not to. So the happy is going to go kind of right across so it touches those 3 like that. And so I'm going to use my small dimensionals and just pop them on like that, and that is going to need to fold over. The small dimensionals are not going to work like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the edge and we're going to trim it down. So I've got them thin enough that I can use them on here. So there we go. So we've got one that can go there, and then we've got another piece right there where that can go. And then we can put one on the Y right there. Okay. And that way when we cut them down, they're thin enough we don't see them on the other side. And we're just going to pop that down like that. There we go. So we've got happy, and it could be happy anything. And now let's see if we want to put some greenery or anything on here. We can just tuck them in. I don't think so. Actually, let's try a little piece like this. See if we can just tuck that in. I'm thinking no. I'm thinking it's good like that, and we're going to pop a couple of these little dots that we had from a previous paper pumpkin kit, and we're just going to scatter those around, couple different sizes to kind of go with the different sizes of circles that we've got on the card. I put an odd number on. There we go, like that. And let's pop one more on, and that will be our first alternate card using elements from the 2023 March Paper Pumpkin Kit. So super, super simple on this one, but still really, really effective. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate options.